Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mooni. How are you guys doing? How are you feeling? Take a deep breath with me. As you can see, I got my hair done. I'm really excited over it. This is my first time even trying a hairstyle like this. Me and my hairstylist were both like, and like we're always experimenting and stuff like that. So I was like, oh my god, this is my first time. Like, hey, like let's do something different. Today's makeup video is not a tutorial. I'm gonna be talking while I'm doing it, but if you guys want to like follow along, you can. But today's video is gonna be the quickest video ever, simply because my lashes are already done, and I'm starting to realize that I am not a strip lash girly anymore. I'm just not. It takes too much time. The glue is too messy. It gets stuck on my fingers, and it wastes time. I have to wait for the glue to dry, and it takes like 30 years for the glue to dry. Sometimes I even have to add even more glue to the band of the lash so that it could stick even, like, so it could stick better. And even when I do that, I have to wait even longer. It's too much waiting. My makeup could take me easily 15 minutes. With the lashes, we're looking damn near around like 25-30 minutes, and that's an extra amount of time that I just don't need. Strip lashes, count your days, because you guys got 30 minutes, okay? I'm gonna be doing my makeup because I do have somewhere to be. I have a photo shoot at 3 p.m. But before I go to that shoot, I do want to make some content. So that's why I'm like recording, and then after that I record this, I'm gonna record some other stuff, and it's just gonna be a fun day. So first, let me think about what I want to talk about before I even start hollering. What do I want to talk about? Okay, I think I want to talk about... Oops, Sarah texted me. Is she gonna kill me? She's calling. I just got off the phone with Sarah. I kind of need you guys to like see what we're working with. We're starting off with the primer. Anyways, what I wanted to talk to you guys about... Sorry, I have to do this first. Like, I honestly don't even know what I was gonna say. We're starting off strong with the primer. And I always say that, like, oh, we're starting off strong with the primer. But the primer, if I don't put primer, I usually, like, have to remind myself to not forget the primer. It's so forgettable for me. I just be ready to get right into the makeup. Y'all know that Viking song? It's like, oh, they don't need, no need, no need, no need, no. That song is what the first 3 weeks of January felt like. So thank God January's over, because that's literally how we was living. Mind you, I'm in Florida, so this isn't how life should be. I need the heat to live. Like, I literally need the heat to live. I cannot live without heat for too long, or else I literally start to disintegrate. Also, today's look is gonna be pretty casual. I don't want to just sit here and do my makeup. Like, I feel like there's so much to talk about. I don't know what to start with. I don't know what to complain about. Like, what has been bothering me that I want to complain about? That's what I'm trying to remember, you know? But it's like, maybe it's been everything. My skin is so clear this week, but it gets even clearer once my hair is done. Okay. I love that song. I wonder when they made it. Like, what was going on for them to like make that song? Honestly, if anyone's wondering, I don't know why I spray the setting mist on the brush as I apply it. I don't know what it does. I also like the feeling of a wet brush on my face, but I need it to have a product that's like actually doing something on the brush for me to enjoy that feeling. Does that make sense? Like, I can't just spray it with water just to have a wet brush, because then the water's not... How does the water help the makeup, you know? I think I'm gonna show out a little bit today. I honestly love the fit that I have in my head. I haven't brought it to life yet. Like, I don't know, like, it's really just been vibes that I'm going based off of. But I honestly think I'm gonna pull it off because I have the hairstyle that I want. I also feel like every day I rediscover my makeup routine. I always make these videos, and in the videos I'll be like, I feel like my makeup is getting better and better. And it's true, I do feel like my makeup is like improving, but I also feel like I'm so far away from real improvement because I don't like experimenting with makeup products. Not makeup looks, makeup products. I'm just so iffy, and I'm really protective of my money. I don't like spending money on things that don't work. I don't like spending money on things that are popular for the sake of being popular. Like, no honey, you better work. You better work, honey. You better work. You better work, honey. You better work. But like I was telling you guys, I'm like over strip lashes. I really am. Do I want to put something down the middle of my nose? Does it make a difference? I don't know. Like just knowing that I'm free from strip lashes right now makes me so freaking happy. I do have to take a look at them. Like I think my stomach is like boiling in like a really weird way. Another thing about me is I don't like using the bathroom with makeup on my face. I know it sounds crazy, but like it just feels like, why do I have clothes on? Why do I have makeup on? Why do I have a wig on while I'm trying to take a shit? I need to be free from all that and, you know, return to my humanity so I could release and empty my bowels, you know? So once I start doing my makeup and my bowels start moving, it's like, that song is stuck in my freaking head, yo. By the way, am I doing something wrong? No. It's foundation and then concealer, bronzer and then blush. That's the way I do it. Y'all know that song? It's by Nicki. It goes boom, boom, now we're going in with the Bronziana. I'm surprised I'm not talking. I guess I really don't have anything to talk about. Sometimes I think I have a lot to say. It might feel like that in the moment, but then when I really think, I really don't have a lot to say. So here's like my beef with everyone. It honestly feels like we're not giving each other enough room to just be human. We don't give ourselves a chance to exist. I've been seeing so many TikToks and people are like, oh, a lot of people are fake weird. It's not even a real issue to me because at the end of the day, I don't really care what people do. I'm gonna act however I want to act. I'm gonna do whatever I want to do. But it is true that there are people who claim to be weird and then when they get around actual weird people, it's like, I was just thinking about that. Like, if I tell somebody I'm weird and you think I mean weird in a cool way, I just feel like weird has so many definitions nowadays, you know? I've just been seeing like some discourse online about how people feel like everybody's just fake weird and how like they can't really be themselves because once they open up, they could literally see the person like withdraw, which really sucks to be honest. But I can honestly tell when people are really weird. First of all, the way you talk. If somebody is like, people who are like really dramatic can usually be a good type of weird, but I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. So I'm off this conversation because I don't know. I feel like I'm just talking just to talk. I feel like I'm talking just to talk. Like I feel like I have a point of what I'm trying to say and I'm trying to say it, but like nothing's really making sense. So I'm just over it. Would you guys buy a gun and shoot me until my brain splattered across the walls if I just like did my makeup? Because I'm really not in a talking mood, and also I look kind of good right now and I kind of want to serve face a little bit. So it's like, would you guys kill me and sacrifice me to the lambs and make the stars just explode from galaxy to galaxy? No, 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 no. I love that song. La 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 la. Ooh, I be putting so much blush on and I don't be giving a fuck. I love blush, you guys. I mentioned this in every video, like, I love blush, I love blush. No one could take blush away from me, and it's the truth. I love blush. I love when my face is all red. Like, I love it. I love it. Me, 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 me. That's the thing, though. I don't feel like talking, but I don't feel like being quiet either. So this might be a video where I really just holler. It's just giving like hollering, you know? I usually don't put music in my YouTube videos, but for this one I might put a little jam for you guys to enjoy while I do this, because I really don't want my video to be too silent. Like, a lot of my stuff is spontaneous, you guys. Like, I try my best to plan and have a set schedule, and it just ends up flopping, and I get too stressed when I can't adhere to it. So I do things spontaneously. This is a spontaneous video. I don't have a plan. I didn't really expect to really talk about anything. I'm really just here, just living and loving. Loving and living. Living and loving. Loving and living, living and loving, loving and living, living and loving. Mommy, me, 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 And the thing about me, I'm still gonna upload this because I'm over perfecting my content. Like, I'm over making everything perfect and making everything like curated, and I'm just over it. I'm not like, I can't, like, I'm actually not curated. Like, I just can't. Like, I want to be classy and I want to do things a classy way sometimes, but it's like I try and it like flops. So I just kind of gave up. Like, I was talking to somebody, you know, I told them like, hey, I make content. And they were like, what kind of content do you make? And I literally could not tell them. I did not know what to say because everything is just so different. I think the only thing I'm pretty consistent with is that I do make fashion content. But other than that, I think I'm more like, it's really personality for me. Like, I just be talking. I'm either doing fashion or I'm talking shit, you know? And the fashion I do is also like, that's also a little unserious to me. Like, it's just something that's like fun. It's for fun, but I know I can make like a career out of it. I know I just be talking, and I know there are people who don't mind me talking. Like, they don't mind me just making my noise and as they play me in the background. Like, I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that because I'm not gonna be able to to plan certain stuff and like make it like so like, I just don't give a fuck. I'm gonna let this sit for a while, and I honestly hate the fact that I even have to wait to do that. But I'm trying to see like no 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 no. No, 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 no. Have you guys heard it? Like, honestly, I'm singing it so perfectly that it might get copyrighted by YouTube, guys. And if it does, I just want everybody to know, like, it's not my fault that I have the vocals. It's just not my fault, okay? I honestly hate when I'm doing makeup and I'm like smiling and moving so much because then I feel like I'm creasing it. I do. But even if I crease it, it's not like we're gonna die from creasing makeup. I've actually been learning how to make my eyes bigger. The first thing I do to do that, I take this bronzer I have from Juvia's Place in the color Amber. I just take this brush I have and I like add some product to it. You squint a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, because sometimes I want my eyes to be bigger. So after I do that, I'm gonna take some eyeliner, and the eyeliner I use was sent to me from Urban Decay. This is what the eyeliner looks like. This is Urban Decay's 24/7 inks. I shake it a little bit to get some product out, and then I open it and I just like go in on my waterline. The mirror is over here, so I'm gonna be facing this way, but you guys will like see the end result. And I'm gonna do the other one. Hold on, y'all. Cause like I be fighting for the product and I can't tell if it's almost finished or what. I take this highlighter I have from Revolution. This one is, I think it's called Just My Type. I don't know. What's that noise? Hold on. Who said you could even leave? So I have my highlighter and then I have this brush right here. It's like slanted a little bit. And I'm just gonna put it in the inner corner of my eye. This is how I make my eyes look bigger. The next step would be the lashes, but we don't even have to do that. We get to skip that peacefully. Now we're gonna put more blush. So I have this blush palette here and I'm gonna put this color. So I guess this is like a little tutorial, I guess. Oh my God. Yay! I really do love blush though. Oh, I forgot to put highlighter on my nose. That's really important because whether you contour your nose or not, which I don't because I simply don't have the energy to or care to, like why would I even do that? I can finally move on to my lip combiana. This pencil is on its last leg and I'm not even joking. Can you guys see me? I'm going with a brown pencil, but I need to sharpen it a little bit. Perfect. Guys, I really love making faces. Like, I was thinking about that the other day. Like, I love making faces. Like, I love just being like, I just love doing it. It's so fun. Like, why should I keep my face normal? I have a face, you know? The least I could do is use it. I don't know why this thing keeps coming out this way. It's not supposed to do that. Okay, so this is what we're given. Am I missing anything? Like, what could I possibly be missing? I feel like I'm missing a few things. What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? Oh, right, this spray. Right. This like locks the makeup in place. This is the Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. And I need to put a little bit more on the side. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. Then I'm gonna put my lip gloss on, and then we're gonna be back. I'm gonna serve cunt while we're waiting for it to dry. Ew. Okay, all right, I think I'm gonna put my lip gloss on now. I use the same lip gloss all the time, and I don't think I ever want to use another one. All right, you guys, I'm bad as fuck again. Actually been bad, but now it's like, okay, I've been bad, but now I'm bad as fuck. Like, it's really serious. This is actually a state of emergency. Y'all need to start evacuating since yesterday. So like, this is the look. Okay, do you guys love? Are you guys living? Are we living? Are we dead? Like, what? How do you guys feel about it? Like, but you guys, I think I'm gonna end my video here. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned on my channel because I am releasing other videos. So yeah, bye guys. I love you.